What is the important point? That it is already proved by many great masters, many great persons, that Kriya Yoga meditation is time-tested technique. If anyone practices sincerely, with all devotion, will find the ultimate truth. What is the ultimate truth? Realizing that it is God who has become this visible universe, this vast universe, sky, and within sky, galaxies, stars, solar system, and this earth, and on this earth, plants, animals, and human beings, so many things. It is God who has become all. When God has become all, then we have no any courage to say that I am greater than earth, I am greater than air, I am greater than any structure of the cosmos. We will have no any concept like this. But still, when we will realize all are the greatest, still we will give first preference to our own race, human being. This is the very important point. The moment we realize that all are the greatest, but our first preference is for those who are looking like me, human being, then our practice will be deeper. At the same time, we must realize we should have some spiritual master who will guide how to recognize it. As Duryodhan, and like Duryodhan many others, could not recognize Krishna as a great master. Many persons were there. They were never realized that Jesus Christ was incarnation, was great master. Many were not realized that Mahatma Gandhi was great prophet. Many were not realized that Lahiri Mahasaya, Yukteswar Giri, ya Paramahansa Yogananda, they are great masters. Majority, they did not realize. Now they are realizing. Now they realize better than before. Then how to recognize a master? It is a very difficult task. Because of this confusion, this text is written, Autobiography of an Yogi. If you promise to keep it all the time with you, when you are sleeping, keep it as bedside. When you are going anywhere, keep it in your bag, in your purse, or you can hold it. How can I hold it all the time? As you hold cell phone, as you hold a ring, as you are holding the dress. If you cannot hold it all the time, then realize practice will be difficult, and it will be very difficult to recognize realized master. Therefore, this book is written for this specific purpose. It will work in future and is working also as a great spiritual text, great Bible of all sectarian religion, great Bible for Hindus, for Muslims, for Christians, for Jews, for Buddhists, for Jainis, for all. They will recognize in future. Then what should be our duty? Because we are not able to recognize the real master, no problem. Many persons who are practicing Kriya Yoga, they think that Kriya Yoga practices the things need not to accept anybody as Guru. For them, you must read it every day. You must hold it every day. Whenever you get time, open and read one paragraph. When you read it, think it for a moment. If you do not have, then close it. But before sleep in the night, you must read it. And when you are awake in the morning, you must read it. When you will think that, oh, it is very good story, very fantastic story, if you do not find any spiritual treasure in this, it means you are not in deep practice. The moment you open any page, you are reading any paragraph, if you realize, oh, great depth of knowledge in this there is a Bible, in this there is a Vedas, in this Ramcharitmanas, in this teaching of Kabir, Nanak Das Ji, teaching of Maharshi Patanjali, teaching of all, it means now we are in deep meditation. Therefore, this book will remove confusion. If you do not have any guru, do not bother. If you do not recognize, do not regret. Hold this book all the time. Whenever you get a time, read few lines. But before sleep, have deep study. Maybe one page. Think about it, then sleep. Opening up the eyes, just open it. Never go out of the bed without seeing it. If you have great urge to go in washroom, okay, all right. See this and put it, then go in washroom, then come and read it. And every day join this guided meditation, what I am giving to you. Moment you will not miss this guided meditation. Sometimes you are not able to come, practice it in home. But never miss the practice. Then you will realize that you are able to recognize a real master, your guru, your guide, then follow it sincerely. If you recognized it, still do not miss reading the book. Read it every day. Then one day you will realize bliss. Ever enjoy each and every moment. Great power and knowledge, great peace, everything. Whatever you want, you will have it. This is a very important point, how to continue the practice. You must try to remember it and listen it again and again, then your practice will be deeper. अब हम आपको अभ्यास देने चल रहे हैं. Now I am ready to give you practice.